Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
There's a lot of competition during placements and while summer placements and my final placements too.
Correct.
So I also started trying to incorporate some of the things which I could do, which were possible in my resume, in my daily life too. So yes, there are some people, we have a choice. We have a choice. All these life projects, all these internship opportunities are kept open to everyone. There are mostly the pre-processes, the resume-based shortlisting which are done while they are accessing like whom to select.
Being that I'm not an IIT, I'm not an NIT, so I can't beat them. Okay, so Bhavsha, it's been really nice to understand this whole thing. Like, you mentioned about making the choice. Blackie IIMs over Mica. Sometimes you have to choose either its brand name or your passion, the kind of decisions. So, what do you think makes IIM Indore so competitive? And, how do you make sure that within a batch of 600, like you mentioned, the rat race, how do you keep yourself up in the game?
Okay, so we are a bunch of 600 people with a lot of diversity, like diversity in work experience, diversity in bachelor's, diversity in which college did we do a bachelor's form. So we have people with work ex like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, and we have people with people who have done the engineering from NITs, IITs, and SRCC and all that, Delhi University. So these are some of the factors which keep them unique. Like the people with work ex are preferred more in placements. The people with NIT, IIT or SRCC are preferred more in while summer placements also. So and also the academics matter a lot. So what we say the profile, the academic profile 999, that also matters a lot. So even there are many people in my batch who are having a profile of 999. So this all makes it a lot of competitive. Like there are already people with WorkX, there are already people with NIT, IIT. So there's a lot of competition during placements and while summer placements and my final placements too.
Correct.
So what I did is I started connecting with seniors and also my batchmates once I got to IIM Indore, and I started knowing that what different they have done or what is great about their resumes, what kind of work have they done and all that. So I also started trying to incorporate some of the things which I could do, which were possible in my resume, in my daily life too. So I joined the marketing club of IIM Indore, and I was also a part of the theatre club of IIM Indore. I also took up some live projects, like I was working with a live project of Madhya Pradesh administration.
Oh, interesting.
And also one live project in market research. So these are some of the things, you get a lot of opportunities at IIM Indore, okay. So these are some of the things which you need to grab and you need to work hard for to build your resume in a better way, like to come up to the level of the people with WorkX and who have done the engineering from NIT and
Okay,
so
so
yes,
then,
this was some of the things.
like you mentioned, since all of these things, now this is not a mandate part of the curriculum, but it's kind of required because we want to make sure we are better than the rest of the batch, right? So if I'm sure this must be a personal choice. There would be people who really don't bother about it, and then that competition doesn't get to them.
Yeah, definitely. There are people who are very much carefree and they're like, academics classes, that's it. I don't want to take part in any of the other things that are going on in campus. I'll sit in my room, enjoy. So yes, there are some people like that. Not most of the people, very few.
Correct.
I would say, in my batch at least. So yes, there are some people, we have a choice. All these live projects, all these internship opportunities are kept open to everyone. There are mostly the pre-processes, the resume-based shortlisting which are done while they are accessing whom to select. So this was various rounds which we have to go through while being selected in a live project or say some internship. Yes, so it is definitely a choice. But as I wanted to improve my resume and get to a good level, I am trying my best to make a good use of this opportunity.
Absolutely, that's lovely. I think it's always a personal choice. You have to make that. Do you want to be the best at what you are, or you want to keep cribbing that I'm not an IIT, I'm not an NIT, so I can't beat them. But I'm sure all of these things gets you at par with all of the others around there on campus as well.
Yes, sure. So I would also like to mention this, that at first I did crib sometimes about where I am not from an NIT or IIT or I do not have WorkX. Someone should have informed beforehand that do a WorkX and then go to such a college, and I am like there's a lot of competition.
Correct.
But then someday I realized that no, like this cribbing would not help at all. I need to better my resume, better myself day by day, and take the opportunities, grab the opportunity, and come up to level of this people who already have an added advantage. So yeah, this is up to your choice, and you need to decide that whether you want to crib or grab all the opportunities coming around.
Correct. That's very true. That's very well put. I'm sure everybody has their own down low points where you feel like why the hell did I come here? I should have worked and come, but there's never a right time. I'm sure even the people with WorkX would be feeling that it's so tough to get to studying right now because they have given up studies long back. So it's all about the kind of way you keep yourself occupied and motivated, and along with the same thing I think even your peers help you into fixing up the things which you are not good at. I'm sure you would have a strong support system from your batchmates also on campus.
Yes, definitely. So, very strong support from our seniors as well. So, when we go there, we have an event called Makra. Like the seniors organize that event, and
Okay.
I would say that event has been very useful to me. Has helped me to translate from a girl who was very much carefree and from an engineering type of attitude to an MBA type of attitude. So that was very much appreciative. Like the seniors worked a lot for seeing our resumes, resume iterations, for making us ready for the placements and all that. So yes, there was a strong support system from the seniors. And coming to our peers, I have a lot of friends. So yes, I have friends with WorkX, I have friends with people who have done engineering from IITs, NITs, and everywhere.
Okay.
So yes, when you connect with them, they know things which you don't know, or things which might help you, and they might advise you or they might suggest you. So when you keep in touch with them, when you connect with them, when you talk with them, every day I guess I got to learn a different thing, and that was a great experience. Yeah, connecting with people.
That's
Everyone is a lot supportive. Even if there is a rat race, there is a competition. Everyone is a lot supportive, including my batch and even the seniors.
So it's like a nice ecosystem of very healthy, strong competition. We fight with each other, but we will support each other to win that fight as well also.